Hello, that's us down with the flock here, and got this big ewe here on Boxing Day, and she 2 ewe lambs there at foot already, soft Texas, so they're dynamite. They're good wee boys altogether. There's a good big strong ewe too now. Then we have these old girls. Them's just ewe. Them's last year's lambs there now, so they haven't seen the tupper on yet to next year. So we'll get them then, they'll be old enough then, hopefully. So they're that black one is soft Tex as well, isn't it, Zach?
Blue Texel.
A blue Texel in Suffolk. And that white one is a Texel crossed with must be a wee Texel that anyway, so. Oh, that's us anyway. Just a wee update here on how the flock was getting on. We saw the young lamb that we had. He went to the slaughter, so we didn't need that. But all going well. Now we'll hold on to these lock oil boys here for a bit of breeding. So we'll see how we fare out next year. We're just in a wee buyer here. We've only a wee half-acre field or an acre maybe, so our wee garden more or less with this wee 2-cow buyer. No electric on her, so we're fitting about with torches at the minute. But hey, we're managing, we're getting there. Hopefully get a wee bit of more grass in the spring time. Another wee garden or another wee field or a couple of acres or two, like so. We'll get something for it, hopefully. That's us for now anyway. Wee boys sicking away there.